Hi, I'm Jackson. Welcome to the ENVO Tech Support Series. Today we're going to be unboxing then building the ENVO E35. Once you have your E35 unpacked, what you should have is your handlebar, your scooter, this bag of accessories which will include a charge cable, an Allen key, 5 Allen key bolts, and a valve extender, as well as your charger. First step to assembly is to connect your controller wire. Align the arrows and push the pieces together. Once that's ready, you can insert the handlebar into the steer tube. Next, you can use your 4 out of 5 Allen key bolts to secure your handlebar. The 5th bolt can be kept as a spare. There'll be 2 sets of bolts on the front and the back. Next, you'll want to connect your brake lever. To do so, engage the lever to reveal the slot, insert the cable end, align your barrel adjuster so that the open end is facing outward, pull the cable tight, and release. To tighten and adjust your cable tension, you can do so with the barrel adjuster. Just make sure that you tighten the lock ring. To fold the scooter, you'll want to pull up on the latch here and release the locking mechanism. Once the scooter is free to fold, you want to push it all the way down and then pull up on this locking tab here. Once engaged, you can fully carry your scooter. To release, you'll want to pull back up on the locking latch and pull the bar forward until you hear a click. From there, you can pull up on the latch until it clicks into place. To charge the scooter, connect your charger to the charge port on the right side of the scooter. To pump up your E35, first you'll want to remove your valve cap and attach your valve extender. Connect your pump and pump it to the noted PSI on the tire of 50 PSI. To pump up the front tire, you'll use the same process, but you will not need a valve extender. So just remove the valve cap, connect the pump, and pump to 50 PSI. This is the handlebar used on both the E35 and E50 scooters. You'll see you have the throttle, a brake, and the display unit. To turn on the unit, you'll want to press and hold the power button. To activate the lights, you'll want to give a short press to the power button. To cycle through the different modes, you'll want to press the M button. There'll be 3 different modes and speed levels and 1 walking mode. If you hold the M button, you'll also be revealed the odometer and your trip distance. In levels 1 through 3, if you hold the throttle down in the same position for over 12 seconds, it will lock the speed and you'll be able to release the throttle. To disengage cruise control, you'll want to either press the throttle or the brakes. Now that your ENVO E35 is good to go, please be sure to read your full user manual. If you have additional questions or concerns, please check the link below to go to our ENVO Help Center. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.